New year, new life. It's like a habit for many people to make New Year's resolution, sort of, I want to lose weight, I want to get into shape, I want to get rich, I want to find love. And there is nothing bad in all these wishes, except the fact that they are left like wishes. I'm going to show you the best way to plan 2023 and make all your wishes into your goals. Moreover, make your goals happen. But before we do that, subscribe the channel. Do you remember last year resolutions? I bet you don't. Why? Because many people, they give up on their New Year's resolution by 1st February. And this is so sad because we tend to set these big goals and make these big wishes for us. And many of people's wishes, they just evaporated by the end of the year because we live in hustle bustle and in constant rush to persuade something we even don't know what. To make a wish in your head, it's not enough. So first thing what you should do is to turn your wish into your goal. And the clearer your goal is, the easier you will figure out steps towards that goal. So let's say you want to lose weight and you make a wish, I want to lose weight. But it's not enough, you should be more specific here. You need to jot down exact number of kilos you want to lose. For instance, I want to lose 20 kilos by the end of the year or by the end of some specific date. But be realistic here, because if you say that I want to lose 20 kilos by the beginning of February, so you will have just 1 month in order to reach that goal, it's like an unrealistic thing. You need to be realistic here, otherwise you might get unmotivated instead of being inspired. And you can take any wish you want, turn this wish into your goal, and specifically jot this goal down. What you want to get, when you want to reach it, how will you feel about it. Let's say you want to save $1,000 this year, not this year, but next year, 2023. You should jot this number down into a paper, into your notebook, whatever you use, and just set exact date that I will save $1,000 in 2023 by the end of the year, by the December 31. If you have these specific numbers, specific dates, you unconsciously start making the connections inside of your brain and start figuring out steps towards your goal, how you can reach it, what should you do in order to make this happen. For some people, it's enough to jot their goals down, to set some numbers and dates. That's all. They start working towards it. But we want to use all the tools that we have in the world. Because of this, don't stop on this step and go further to next step. And next step, I love it so much because this is all about feelings and all about
your imagination.
And I'm talking about visualization practice. When you think about visualization, you probably imagine something like this.
I want to get rich, I want to get famous, I want to find love, I want to have lots of money.
No money! Visualization doesn't work, it's a bullshit! No, I don't want you to do this. Instead of just pretending that you are rich, you are healthy, you are happy, or whatever you want to reach in the next year, you need to close your eyes and imagine that you already got what you want. Let's say you want to lose weight. And what you need to do is to close your eyes and imagine how would you feel yourself if you finally reached that shape, if you finally got into that shape you are dreaming. Would you be happy? Would it be enough for you? And try to feel with all the cells of your body, how would it feel like for you to reach that goal? And try to remember this feeling. Every time when you want to skip workout, to stay at home in a warm bed, to just watch movies and relax, recall these feelings. How would you feel if you reach that goal? Probably it will work for you like as a best motivation to keep going, to stay on track. Unfortunately, people tend to vision things that they don't want to happen in their life. We spend so much energy to imagine this, to feel in this, to worry about this. Instead of imagine that you are a successful business owner, you are creating valuable products for people, you are making their lives better. You imagine that people will judge you, that your family will criticize you, that some of your friends will make a fun of you, make a jokes of you, that it's a stupid idea. And you imagine this, and you waste your energy on this negative future that you don't want to happen, but you think about it. It doesn't make sense, right? In fact, 80% of worries you have, they will never even happen. But you constantly worried about this, you constantly think about this. It's not right. Try to put all this energy in something positive, in your future, in the future you want to create, and start feeling how it would be for you if you finally reach that goal, if you finally build a business, if you finally found a love, if you finally create a family, or whatever you want to reach. All these worries, they will keep you unmotivated, uninspired. Instead of this, try to visualize what exactly you want, what you want to draw into your life, what you want to magnet into your life. Because of this, I urge you to start this visualization practice. When you have this clear, bright vision of what you want, you will have it in your head. I want to show you just personal examples of how I choose pictures for my wishes board and how I do all this visualization practice. So my goal is to get into shape. I still cannot get my tummy back after giving a birth for 2 children. It's very complicated stuff. So I have found a picture of this girl. She is also blonde like me and has this really nice tummy. I also have nice tummy, but still I want to make it a little bit stronger as it was before I gave birth to my 2nd child. If I have a really bright goal and clear vision what I want to reach in next year, I just go online and find the pictures what associated with this wish. So let's say I want to visit the USA in following years, and I just go online and find the pictures that associated with the USA. It's New York. I just find this picture and print it and put on my wishes board. And every time when I work on my laptop, I can just keep my eyes off the screen and look at my wish board and remind myself my goals, my desires. That really helps me to be motivated. If I close my eyes, I can literally feel with every cell of my body how would I feel if I reach that goal, if I reach another goal. And they are all on my wish board, all the goals I want to reach in the next year, in the following years. This keeps me motivated, not only motivated, but also helps me to create bright future inside of my brain. And instead of negative future, instead of worries, instead of magneting something that I don't want to happen in my life, I'm creating what I want to happen in my life. I'm magneting all these sweet, positive things, and it works. Sometimes with really unbelievable circumstances, I get what I want. And this is awesome. So when you do your New Year's resolution, it's not enough to make a wish. Turn your wishes into your goals. Jot your goals down and be specific here. And the last thing, visualize. Try to feel with every cell of your body how would you feel. Would you be happy? Would you be satisfied? Try to find that vision online and print it and put it in front of you. The best what you can do is to create that vision board, wishes board for you, and try to keep an eye on that wishes board from time to time. Happy New Year, and I wish you to reach all the goals that you set for you in 2023, and don't be afraid of setting up some lofty goals. Everything is possible. The universe has everything in abundance for everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Be safe and sound. See ya.